We've made plenty of pizzas before, but this one's different. It's keto friendly. The question is, will we actually like it? Using this keto flour and other ingredients, we will see, can this keto pizza really compete with the real thing? Or is this just going to be another one of those almost pizzas? We are going to start off with 1 cup of water heated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we are going to add 1 package or 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast. One teaspoon of sugar replacement, and give it a little stir and let it stand for 10 minutes or until creamy. Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and enough keto flour to make a soft dough. I use just over 1½ cups. Press your dough into a pizza shape on a slightly greased pizza pan or on parchment paper. The dough feels a little different maybe a little stiffer, not quite like the pizza dough I know. Add your favorite pizza sauce. The sauce sure smells great, but with pizza, it always comes down to the crust. Now add your toppings of choice. My favorite is ham and red peppers. Then lastly, top with cheese. Bake in a 450-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Well, it sure looks good, but looks sometimes can be deceiving. Now, this is the moment of truth. This keto pizza dough. Will it win us over? It's not bad. It's It's not my personal favorite. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a whole wheat flavor with a little bit of chewiness to it. But overall, I'd probably give it around a 7 out of 10. Yeah. So that's round 1. Next time, we'll try another keto dough recipe. Because one thing's for sure, this experiment isn't over yet.